Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable AirDrop on your iPhone in two different ways. So let's get started. Very first way you can do it, the simple and the easy way, is pulling down or pulling up the control menu. You're going to look for this widget right here, which is the connectivity one. You're going to press in the middle here and it'll bring up this menu. And in this menu, there is an AirDrop option. So if you tap on it, you might see that it is either off or selected for contacts only. Now, if you wanted to enable it, you can select either of these options. This one, the contact only, will be basically anyone that's in your contact or they're in your contact. You'll be able to AirDrop with them. And if you wanted to do it for everyone, let's say they're not even in your contact and they still want to AirDrop you something, you would just select everyone. So depending on what your need is. Now, if you can't get it to here, you can also get to it by going into your setting and then going to general. And then there is the AirDrop setting right here. Same exact thing. You can go ahead and select either or of these options depending on your thing, but either of them will go ahead and enable your AirDrop. As long as you're not selecting receiving off, you'll be able to AirDrop with someone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.